Make a rice shaker. You will need some paint and paintbrushes, paper cups, scissors, rice or lentils, different sticky tapes or duct tape. Paint your cup. I like to use a nice bright colour because I'm going to decorate it in a minute. I'm going to put some green spots on my cup just to make it look a bit more fun. Wow, it's a bit tricky making spots. See whether you can do better than me. There we go. I've got 3 spots. Green spots. I painted 10 green spots. How many green spots can you get on your cup? Let me know. I'm going to need 2 cups for this one, so I'm going to paint this one as well. I might paint this one green with red polka dots. Okay, I've now finished painting my green cup with 10 red dots. I'm going to put some rice into these cups and I'll show you in a minute. This is my rice. It's about a tablespoon of rice. Oh, listen to that noise. That's what our shaker is going to sound like. Cool, hey? All right. To help us keep the cups together, we're going to put a little bit of glue just around the outside of the edge. Just keep rubbing, 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 rubbing. That's it. And now I'm going to put the 2 cups together. Now it's not going to stick perfectly, but it's just going to help keep it together a little bit. So I'm just going to let that dry and come back to it in a minute. Okay, that should be dry now. So I'm going to put a bit of my duct tape. You can use sticky tape too, that should work, but just take your time, make sure it's dry. And I'm going to put that all around the edge. I might have to go around a couple of times just to make sure that it's really sticking together, but just take your time, and you might need your adult to help you put that together like that. Taking your time and wrapping it around. There we go, almost back around. Oh, I can hear that rice rattling. Can you hear it? Almost back around. There we go. All right, that's my first time around. And I might just have to do that again just to make sure that it's going to stay nice and strong. Oh, got some paint on there. It's not quite dry. That's okay. Right, I'm going to wrap it around again. Feel a little bit like I'm putting a big bandage on here. Oh, trying to keep it straight. Uh-oh. Sorry about that. There we go. And that's the second time around. Good. Okay. Now I'm going to snip that off with my snippy scissors. There. Okay, now have a look at this. Tap it around. We've got our shaker. Great job. Let's go on to the next one.